Hello people, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can save a section of your website and then import it on another page of your website. So let's get into it. All right, so right here I have my home page and my Elementor builder is open. So right now what I need is this template of my section right here on another section of my page, of my website page. And I don't want to start to design this right from the scratch. All right, so how you save this as a template and import it on another page is by going right here and right clicking, and then here you can see save as template. I'm going to click on it, and here you are going to give it a name. So I'm just going to give it a name of categories. Just going to type some triple S right here because I might have some that has the same name. So I'm going to click on save. All right, so now you can see I have saved this section as a template. Now let's import it on another page of my website. So to do that, I'm going to head over to another page. Let's go to the contact page right here. I'm going to save and leave. Right, so I'm on the contact page of my website and I want to import that template I have just saved from my home page. Right here, let's assume I want to save it right here. Now, in some cases, you just have to click on this folder icon right here, but sometimes I think there is a bug in it sometimes. So if you're experiencing this, what you want to do is to click on this plus sign and select Flexbox and just pick anyone right here. And then you right click on this section you have just created and click on save as template. Never mind, we're not saving this as a template. We just want to locate the template we have saved earlier. So instead of writing anything here, you just head over to your library right here, click it, and then you head over to templates. And right here, you can see is the template we have saved as categories. So I'm just going to click on insert and click on apply. And what this does is that it brings the category, the section we have just saved from the home page right to this page. So if I scroll down, now you can see we now have this section that we have saved as a template on our contact page. So guys, that is how you save a section of your website and import it on another page on your same website. I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.